In this video, I will tell you about SEO-friendly site and why the homepage is the most authoritative page on your niche site. Hey guys, I'm Roman. Welcome to The Formula, where I talk about Amazon affiliate marketing and profitable niche sites. They say find keywords, write copy, publish, all good. Pretty simple, right? But not so fast. I'm sure many times you heard the term SEO-friendly website. But what does it really mean? SEO-friendly website means it's easy for search engines to crawl and understand the structure and content of your website. If you want people to find your niche site, you need to use on-page SEO. If SEO has been done correctly, you will improve your search engine ranking and drive more targeted traffic. Here are the basic requirements for the SEO-friendly page. The meta title should be between 60-65 characters. The meta description should be between 150-160 characters. The page URL should be descriptive, short, and separated by dashes. All pages have to have unique and useful content. Structure of a page has to include a header, subheadings, bullet point lists, short paragraphs, author information. There should be only one H1 tag per page. The recommended content length is over 2000 words. Images should be optimized for search engines with descriptive alt tag and name. All images size should be compressed with a special tool. The page loading speed should be under 3 seconds. There are two parts of SEO-friendly site: on-page optimization and off-page optimization. On-page optimization is controlled by the website owner and plays a crucial role in how the search engines crawl and understand your content. On-page optimization includes the following: selecting the right keywords and using them in appropriate places on the page, using meta tags correctly, creating an optimized URL structure, creating an internal link structure that helps the search engines crawl the website effectively, using images and videos, creating a responsive and mobile optimized design. Off-page optimization includes analyzing your competitors, using keyword-rich anchor text in your links, getting backlinks from authoritative resources. The foundation. The foundation of your niche site is very important. You have to ensure that it's functioning properly and search engine can crawl it and index your content without any problems. Before starting an Amazon niche site, you should take care of the following aspects. Domain name. Domain name should not confuse potential customers, but should be memorable. You should choose the .com suffix as it's the most popular and recognizable, and you should avoid suffixes such as .site and .info, as they often associated with the spammy sites. Hosting provider. Hosting can make a crucial impact on how SEO-friendly your niche site is. The good hosting provider should have 99% uptime. Its servers should be located as close as possible to the majority of individuals who will be visiting your site. It has to offer integrated SSL certificates and 24/7 support. Content management system. There is only one content management system you should use, and this is WordPress. It's SEO-friendly, it allows you to fully customize your content, and it has tons of plugins to help you boost your efforts. How to improve your homepage. The homepage is the most authoritative page on your site. If some experts don't recommend even trying to rank your homepage in Google, you still should put a lot of effort optimizing it because it's the face of your business. Failing to optimize your homepage could result in losing out on a lot of high-quality traffic. The main goal of your homepage should be to let Google and your visitors know what type of products you are offering. Here is the list of requirements for your homepage. Logo. You should demonstrate your brand identity. Navigation. It helps visitors find what they are looking for. Short overview. You need to explain exactly what product you are offering. Keywords. Target a single branded keyword. Headers. Use headers with the related keywords. Visuals. Include at least a few images or videos. Social proof. Include reviews from satisfied customers. CTA. Suggest visitors a specific action. You need to do everything within your power to help search engines understand what your niche site is about, while at the same time giving visitors your best answers to the problem. The most important advantage of having SEO-friendly website is that you will get more targeted organic traffic from search engines. If you want to know more about Amazon affiliate marketing and niche sites, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and hit that like button below. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And see you guys in my next video.